my little business card. I think they're kind of cool. It looks like a debit card. That was the whole idea of it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a little bit of time, and that is because I've been working on my business. Yes, I decided to start a luxury candle and body butter business, basically a business for self-care. I want to make products that will help women and men, you know, have a more luxurious feel to their self-care routines. I've decided to make products to help everyone do that. So this is an order that I'm making today. I have 3 to do today so far. Oh, I'm sorry, I just got really excited because I just got another order, so I got a little sidetracked there reading it. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now. So this customer ordered the strawberries and whipped cream candle. Focus, focus, there we go. The strawberries and whipped cream candle. Smells delicious, obviously like strawberries. And this is the whipped cream that's I created and put on top, and it has this nice marble effect to it. So they ordered that one. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, but first we need to make it pretty. So we're gonna add some pink crinkle paper, and then we're also gonna add some white crinkle paper to make it feel really pretty. Okay, now I can put the candle in the box. And then they also ordered champagne showers. Yeah. And there's some flowers in it. Some pretty flowers. This one doesn't have the cool marble effect, but that's okay. The flowers gives it a little zhuzh, you know? So put that in there. And to separate it so that they also don't clank together during shipping, I have some bubble wrap. So there's no clinking of any sort. They're all nice and snug. Alright. So next, we add some more crinkle paper. Just a little bit. Crinkle paper. And I also, because it's Valentine's Day, well, Valentine's Day is coming up, I also decided to put some candies inside of the packages, some chocolates, some suckers, some sweet things, pretty much. And I put that on there. And then I close her up. Alright, so we got that. And you know what? I'm going to add some more pretty crinkle paper so that when they open it, they'll be like, what? This looks so pretty. I like to put lots of care and time into my packaging. I also like to take the time to write a little personal thank you note to the customer for supporting my business and my dreams, pretty much. So I like to take the time out to do that. So then I have the thank you card, and that I appreciate the support, and I put it in there. And then I also have a business card that I like to put in the box that I made on Canva. My little business card. I think they're kind of cool. It looks like a debit card. That was the whole idea of it. Key Sense Selfcare is the name of the business. And then I put the little card in there. Then I finalize everything. Bubble wrap. Alright, and then when I'm all done, you know, cozying the candles up with the bubble wrap, I add the packing slip. And then I can close up the box. So a while ago I was making my own labels, so I have leftover like label sticker paper. So I've been using that to print off shipping labels and stick them to the packages. So that is it. I am now going to the post office so that I can send off the wonderful products that my supporters have purchased. I think they're going to be so happy when they finally open up their packages. It makes me really happy knowing that, you know, I get such great reviews from those that have received the products that I've created by hand. Thank you everyone for watching. Appreciate the support. Make sure you check out my website at Selfcare.ca and get you some wonderful self-care products for yourself. Lots more to come. See you until then. Bye.